Hi guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania. So today we are in Crystal's camper. So unfortunately we don't really have much room in here to actually cook and do one of our normal videos for you guys, but Crystal had a recipe idea anyways that she wanted to share, so we thought we'd go ahead and make a video like this for you. So the recipe is called
Hot potato skillet.
Alright, and Crystal is going to tell you about that.
Because I lost a bet, so I had to do a recipe with potatoes.
Yeah.
So you're gonna take, you know those canned potatoes? You're gonna take 5 cans of those diced potatoes in a can and put them in your skillet along with some oil and butter, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Then you're gonna take 5 eggs.
Okay.
And you're just gonna mix those together, mix them around. Then here comes the fun stuff. Ready?
Okay. Yep.
2 cans of diced tomatoes.
Yum.
I would say a small thing of sour cream.
Mm-hmm.
And bacon bits and some Monterey Jack cheese and cheddar cheese.
Ooh, yep.
And American cheese. You can never have too much cheese in my opinion.
Yep, me too.
And what you'll do is you'll fry that up, mix it around, and then let it simmer for about 20-25 minutes till it's all nice and golden brown. And then you'll be ready for a nice lunch or breakfast or whatever you're doing.
That sounds really good.
Maybe you should try it at your house.
Yep, I might have to do that sometime. That sounds good.
Alright guys, bye!
Bye!